Hello everyone. Today's topic is series circuit. A series circuit is one in which several resistances are connected one after the other. That is, when we consider a resistor, it consists of two terminals, first terminal and second terminal. If the second terminal of one resistor is connected to the first terminal of another resistor, that type of connection is said to be as a series connection. So when we consider a series resistors R1, R2, R3 and let the voltage drop across each resistor be V1, V2 and V3. In a series connection, the current flowing through the elements will remain same, whereas the voltage is getting to be divided. That is the reason why we take the voltage drops as V1, V2 and V3. So for applying KVL is nothing but Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to Kirchhoff voltage law, the algebraic sum of voltages in a closed circuit is equal to 0. Or we can also say that the sum of voltage rises are equal to the sum of voltage drops. So here the voltage which is given from the source is taken as the voltage rise and the voltage across the resistors is taken as voltage drops. So applying KVL, the voltage rise, that is V, is equal to drop across the resistors, that is V1 plus V2 plus V3. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. What is V? V is equal to I into R. Here I am taking the total resistance of the circuit as R equivalent. Therefore, the voltage drop is equal to I into R equivalent. Whereas, the voltage drop across each resistor is taken as I into R1, I into R2, I into R3. We can write the equation as IR equivalent is equal to V1, that is I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. Therefore, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. From this equation, we can conclude that the equivalent resistance of the series circuit is the arithmetic sum of resistances connected in series. If we have two resistors, equivalent resistance is equal to R1 plus R2. If we have three resistors, that is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So depending upon the resistors, we are going to take the sum of all the resistors connected in series. Now let us consider an example. Determine the total resistance of the circuit given below. Here we are having four resistors which are connected in series and we need to find out the total resistance. The total resistance when the resistors are connected in series is equal to the sum of resistors connected in the circuit. Therefore, as we have four resistors, I am going to write R equivalent as R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Therefore, that is equal to 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 10, which is equal to 90. Thank you.